Hi friends, this video is to give you a quick introduction of how to use Nearpod. So when you've clicked on your Nearpod link, or if you were given a code to enter by your teacher, you will see this screen. The top box asks for your name, and then the bottom box gives you a place to put in an optional name. I'd like you to put in your name in the top box, and then underneath you can write what class you're in. And then you're going to click Join Lesson, and you will see our lesson here. And you're going to proceed through the lesson by clicking on the blue arrows. Click over here if you want to go forward, and if for some reason you need to go backwards, you can just click the other arrow. When you are looking at a slide, make sure you're reading any information that's on the slide or looking at any information that you see there, pausing to think about any questions that it's asking. And if you ever get to a slide that has this little play bar at the bottom, that means there's a recording. So if you just click on the play button, did you get it right? The images, you'll be able to hear the slide read to you or an audio clip on the slide. You can keep going. If you come to a screen that looks like this with the two extra slides on the side, what you can do is you can click on the slides to move between the two, or you can just scroll down like you would on any other page. So make sure you look at all of the slides here and read the information. And if you get to, or once you get to a video, make sure you click to play the video. Every day. And watch the entire thing. And then you can go to the next slide. When you get a screen that looks like this, the white screen with the blue writing that starts to swirl around, just wait a second before you click on the arrow because it's opening something else up. So on this screen, you get a little pop-up that asks if Nearpod can use your microphone. You want to click Allow. And then here, there's a question at the top, and then you have space to respond. Now, if you see this little image ever on a slide, this looks like a book with a little audio. If you click on that, it will read the question to you. So I'm going to click here. It opens up a new little screen. And then I can click play. According to the video. And it will read it to me. And then when I'm ready to go back, I can click that arrow. Once I'm ready to respond, I will have a box where I can just click and type my answer. Or if you scroll down, sometimes you will also see this record audio button. If you would rather talk and record your answer instead of typing, you can click on that. Record your answer. Click the square to stop. And then once you're done either typing or giving your answer, you can click submit. So we'll keep going through the rest of the slides. Remember, you shouldn't be clicking this fast. You should be pausing and reading or listening to all of the information on the slides. If you get to a screen that looks like this, remember, this is your button you can click to read the instructions. And then if you want to be able to see the slide that you're supposed to be working on, if you just click it, you'll be able to see the whole thing. If you need to look at the instructions again, you can click the little blue arrow here. Or again, just click to close it. So on a slide like this, you have options to draw if you click on the pencil or the little highlighter, or if you would like to type, you can click the T's. So for example, I'm going to click here. I can click in my box, type my example, click off of my box to get rid of that, the colors, and then I can move it around if I would like by grabbing, oh, that's my new text box, whoops. So if you want to get rid of that, just click the trash can. I'm going to click back over here, move it to where I want it. I can grab the corners to adjust it. And there we go. So if I want to go back and edit it, I need to click the T again. And then I have the option to add a new text box or click on my old text box. And for the pencil, just click what color you want, and then you can use that to draw or write if you'd rather write. And here's my little eraser if I need to erase. And then once you're done answering everything on the slide, you can hit submit and go on to the next one. So this is part 2 of that same question. The instructions are the same. I just need to be able to answer the question on this slide. And then here, this is another slide where you can click on the icon up here to read it, to have it read to you. Another drawing activity. This is a matching activity where you're matching each term with its example. So again, if I want to be able to see my activity, I click this little blue arrow right here. So once I've clicked on those and matched them up, I can go to the next slide. And then at the end, there will be a quiz, just a quick 3-question quiz, and then a poll at the end. And make sure you answer the questions. It will give you a score. And I didn't answer any, so I did not get a very good score. And then there's a poll at the end. So I can answer how well I understood what we were learning about, and then hit submit. And then I'm done. So if I need to start over, I want to review, I can click here. Otherwise, I can close this tab and I can go back to whatever else I am supposed to be working on.